Okay, so let's try to solve our first question. So basically, we have contain duplicates. Given an array of an integer array nums, return true if any value appears to at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distant. Um, I think the most intuition approach for me is to basically go through to first sort the array and look for the next element, because if we sort our array and if we sort our array, it means that obviously the next element will definitely be the duplicate. So for example, let's say we have the array is sorted in the first example here. So we will have 1 1 2 3. So and what we have to do is just to check whether the next element is equal to the previous one, and if that's the case, then we can just conclude that okay, we have duplicate. In the time complexity for that will be of n log n, because we first have to sort it, and the sorting we first have to sort it, and the built-in sort function in Python is n log n. Then in worst case scenario, it means that we also have to go to till the end of our array, which will take a time complexity of n. So yeah, so overall we will have a time complexity of n log n. Now, do we have a better approach? A better approach will be to use a something like a set, So since set cannot contain duplicate, every single we can go easily through our array, and at every single position we just current element we just add it to our set, and before adding it to our set we just check whether or not there is already an element inside our set, and if there is, then we can just easily conclude that okay, we have duplicate. So that's it. In that case, the time complexity will be of n, but also we will have a space complexity of n. All right, so let's go with that. So let me create hash set, and yeah, for ei in range of nums. Hopefully I have the right syntax, and let's go. If I in hash set return true, if not, we just hash add it we just add it to our hash set, then at the end we can just return false. Let's run it. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Okay. Oh, in okay, good. Awesome. So yeah, I kind of also want to check to see if the other approach will also have passed the test. So let's check that one. Let's say you have nums dot sort, which is sorted. So for I, so let's say prev. Yeah, let's say prev equal to 0, because do we know whether or not we have like Is all the numbers positives? Okay. So basically it can also be negative. Okay. We sorted. Okay. Let's say prev equal to nums 0, the first element that we have our array. Then now we can literally go in nums. So if prev equal okay, now we can go from range nums one. Okay. I think I'm getting confused with the center. So let's first go back and add it. So if prev equal to our current number, so basically nums I, obviously we can return true. But if not, we just have to assign the prev equal to nums I, and at the end we can just return false. Okay, so now we need like 1 2 length nums minus 1. I think that will do. Okay, good. That's what I was saying. Oh, okay. My bad. Let me try again. I think it should be fine now. Okay, good. So as you can see, like the time complexity is like really low, while our previous solution was around here. So yeah, it was around here. So that's the thing. Like we need to use the hash set in order to like reduce the time complexity and not have n log n. All right.